a great choice today with the 2019 Ford Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, trailer brake controller, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front license plate bracket, four-piece floor mat set, front wheel independent suspension. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.